So you want to make $100 a day trading the Forex markets. You think that that's a nice number for you just to like make some side money, hustle, and then in and out, have a nice day. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Artie, and this is The Moving Average, a show where we discuss everything day trading to keep you profitable on a consistent basis. So the average person in America makes 10 bucks an hour, right? Like, you know, you're working at Subway or you're an Uber or Lyft driver. Just to keep the figure around, 10 bucks an hour. You're working 8 hours a day. That's 80 bucks. Minus taxes, you're getting 60 and change. But what if you could trade the Forex markets and make $100 in a single day? Not even working 8 hours, just, you know, 100 bucks on a trade. That's the dream of a lot of people starting out. And I'm gonna show you how to do that, but I want to put a little caveat on it is that it's not easy and you could easily lose that $100 just as quick. So let's jump into the charts. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if you're unfamiliar with trading Forex, what I need you to do is stop watching this video and watch this playlist first. It breaks down everything you need to do in order from learning how to read charts to the psychology behind day trading. Get that under your belt first, hone in your skills, and then come back to this video. With that being said, let me show you how to make $100 a day in the Forex markets. So this is Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair on a 1 minute time frame. Again, do not trade the 1 minute time frame. This is just to show you how quickly this happens. So if you place a trade with one standard lot size, every time this price, which is currently at 0.76230, every time this price moves up 1 pip, which is the fourth decimal point, that's the price, this is the fourth decimal point. If this goes up to 76240, that's 1 pip, with one standard lot size, you can make 10 bucks. That tiny little move is like this much. So if you want to make $100, you need to try to get 10 pips. Let me show you what 10 pips looks like. From this point to this point, that is a 10 pip move. If you were to do one standard lot and the price moved this much, you'd make $100. It's that easy. End of video. That's where most people get it wrong. This is easy enough to explain, that this is 10 pips, one standard lot, you make $100. But you have to know when to get in. You have to know when to get out. Most people, what they do when they see the price going up is buy, and they think it's going to continue up. So again, 10 pips in the opposite direction is a loss of $100. So how do you know where the price is gonna go? Again, you need to watch my playlist on how to do different strategies in day trading. You have to learn where your entry points are. You have to learn what moving averages do. So throwing up my 3 favorite moving averages on here, we have the 21, the 50, and the 200. You can see which direction the price is going more clearly and why it reversed at certain levels. For example, right here, we were overextended from the moving averages and it started to come down, breaking through the 21-day moving average, retesting it for a third time right here, and then continuing to fall down, bouncing off the 200, and you can see we're starting to see patterns right here. We're consolidating a little bit right here, and now we're trading below the 200 moving average, showing a downtrend, rejecting really hard off the 21 and continuing down. So if you were to watch my videos on my sniper entries and a 3-line strike, you would have seen this perfect pattern right here. This pattern is so recognizable, but fools 90% of new traders. You get a green candle, another green candle, a huge green candle showing this big bullish momentum. You get in for a buy and you get stopped out with this thing. This is called a 3-line strike. Bullish, 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 and then a bearish engulfing, and the price starts cascading down. So if you are a good trader and you've watched my videos, you take your measuring tool, you get in on the close of this bearish engulfing candle, and you want your 10 pips? Let's see when you got it. Right there. You got that perfect 10 pip move in 10 minutes. Each candle is 1 minute. In 10 minutes, you got your 10 pips. You got your 100 bucks on a 1 standard lot size trade. That's the power of knowing when to get in on a trade. It happens quick if you get the right position. Now, don't get me wrong, not anybody can do a standard lot size trade. That requires you to have a larger Forex trading account size. So you need to save up some money and or do it on demo so that you can see exactly the pip and lot and the leverage calculations that you need to do in order to make these one lot trades. But if you're starting out, I recommend only trading a 0.01 lot size, which is 1/100th the size of this, but this will get you started and get you comfortable in trading. Eventually you can grow into this, but you need a much larger Forex account than the normal beginner starts with. So this is just a quick rundown on how to make $100 a day. It is easy in theory, but in practice, it's far more difficult. So make sure that you're watching my videos, make sure you're getting the training that you need in order to learn how to do this. And if you guys are still watching this video, guess what? That means that you like the video. So if you wouldn't mind, click the like button down below my face right now and consider subscribing if you have not already. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.